Show me without glasses.
Baluata.
I think your sister
You know
is very...
Baluata?
Huh?
Baluata. Kathmandu. You don't know?
Oh, show me where your house is on the map. In Kathmandu.
Yeah, you know it.
That's Tamil. Your sister is very pretty.
What?
She's very pretty.
Yes. You can.
So, oh, Sataka. That's in Kathmandu. That's very far.
It's near from Dading also.
Oh, that's very far. Lalitpur is closer to Tamil. Right.
12 kilometers far from here.
Someone's renting there. But why did the Chinese lady rent there? Why did she rent there?
Huh? What are you saying?
You said Chinese lady is renting from there. Is
No
someone's
ladies.
renting? Ah.
No ladies, gents.
Okay.
Gents,
But why do they live there?
What?
Why do they live there?
You know what? They live there from what years? 5 years, 20
Oh,
years.
really?
They live the Chinese in our home.
Oh.
Live from नेपालमा ट्रान्सफर गर्नु भन्दैन wait I'm confused to speak English wait कुन मोबाइलमा गर्ने क्या we have 2 mobile phones
Oh,
I am
business
rich.
woman.
I am rich. कहाँबाट भन्ने है ट्रान्सलेट फेरि मलाई नेपालीमा गर्नु भन्ने म भन्छु है पर्मिसनै दिएन कि यो भन्नलाई You eat rice and
Yeah.
Nepali food.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
कसरी ट्रान्सफर गर्यो भनिदिनु के भनिदिनु त ल भन्दिनँ चाहिने हाम्रो घरमा कस्तो भनेर कहाँ भन्नु यस्तो भन्नु कहाँ भन्नु मेरो घरमा एउटा चाइनिज बस्नुहुन्छ उहाँ चाहिँ नेपाली लगभग 20 वर्ष भइसक्यो भएन मेरो घरमा I use translate
Okay.
for
I have-
explain about my own.
I have Nepalese translator. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can speak here. Copy.
मेरो घरमा एउटा चाइनिज बस्नुहुन्छ उहाँ चाहिँ नेपाल बस्न थाल्नु भएको मेरो घरमा चाहिँ एउटा चाइनिज बस्नुहुन्छ उहाँको फ्यामिली सहित उहाँ नेपाल बस्न थाल्नु भएको चाहिँ 20 years भइसक्यो भयो